Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Motorsports. Right next to me we have a beautiful Factory 5 Roadster. This has a 302 power plant, and today we're going to take it for a test drive for the second time because we had a corrupt memory card that destroyed all of our footage for 2 cars. So I get to have fun again, and you guys get to decide if this is what you want to put in your garage. Overall paint condition, I'd rate this easily a 9 out of 10. It does have a metallic base with black painted stripes that have metallic in them as well. All of your bright work is extremely nice. All the fit and finish shows very well. And they thought about a lot of little details like the rock guard on the rear section. You have those beautiful side pipes, and it does have a set of billet wheels on it. It's powered by a 302 power plant, which produces probably, I would say, 300 horsepower to 320 horsepower. And that's plenty of power for this motor. You're gonna see all the engine shots in the gallery, but I'm gonna show it to you again because I like pulling things off beforehand. So there it is. You got yourself your little 302 right there, Edelbrock manifold, starts up easily. It's a double pumper. You have your VIN number right there. And everything's very nice and tidy. It does have power steering, which is great for a vehicle like this. It does have 4-wheel disc brakes as well. So you're gonna wanna take a look at that in the gallery. And if you guys wanna see underside shots, click on the link below. That's gonna showcase everything. In regards to imperfections, I believe there's a small imperfection near the door edges, and I'm going to show you that as we take it for this walk around. Let's go to the driver's side. Driver's side's very nice. It's rolling on a set of Firehawk tires with the billet wheels on it. So these are center lines. Center lines are great wheels. You have your disc brakes in the front, your disc brakes in the rear. Tire tread, I would say, is about 80 to 85%. You have these beautiful side pipes right here. And then the small imperfections, if you come over here, I'm gonna show them to you. Little scratches right here, just from getting in and out. Small scratch right here. And you know what that's from? It's from the belt. So you guys have to be careful when you're taking your belts off. Don't throw them behind you because there's nothing back there. You have a single hoop. All your gauges are operational. So inside here, you're gonna have your tender for your battery, and then the amplifier for the stereo. So it has a nice little booming stereo. It's aftermarket and sounds great. You can actually hear it if you're driving the car. Closes nicely, it seals up nicely. Cobra emblems, license plate light works as it should. You have your gas release right here, and then there's actually a secondary. Taillights work. Passenger side profile is very nice, and then this is the rock guard I talked about. Small imperfection right here in the paint. And I see a little bit of corrosion on this screw right here. That's what holds the body onto that tube chassis that's underneath it. To open up the doors is very easy, and I want you guys to do a little pan of the interior. You have a leather wrapped steering wheel, 5-speed, Kenwood stereo, the list goes on. Front fender is great as well. This is a nice one. So if you guys are looking for a turnkey unit that's fun, doesn't overheat, this is it. What I love about it is that you do have an auxiliary fan switch. So if you do get stuck in traffic, you can flip that switch and it's gonna cool that engine down. Right now, we're gonna jump inside it and take it for a spin. Starts up quickly. You have your fan control here. So this is your pusher fan. We're already at operating temperature because we had to pull it out of the other warehouse. Oil pressure is good. Our fuel gauge is good. Your horn, turn signals, I believe. And then you have your light controls. You have your upgraded radio right here, so you could do that. And
superior service. We will always earn our stripes.
Very cool. First gear is easy. Can you do the e-brake for me?
Of course.
So don't ever get an angry wife because they have control of the e-brake. So if you tell her you're going golfing, you better go golfing. Not anything out of personal experience. Suspension feels good so far. We're gonna take it out on a marina mile and then we'll take it on our back road so you guys can see how it drives. No pulsations, no funny banging. And it sounds really good. Also, if you guys are enjoying this content and you like all of the artistic footage we're doing, to give the guys a big boost, I would recommend liking and subscribing because that's gonna give them more motivation to create videos like this. There's only so much I can do. is very easy. That's the 4,000. Here's a nice little corner. Only gripe I have right now is the shifter. There's an Allen key and it's loose. So I've got a little bit of play here. Otherwise, it's running good, temperature's good. We've got our fan on. Good oil pressure. 7,600 miles on the odometer. And then 5th gear. Let's test out the clutch. No slippage. Downshifts are easy. I like it. So this is the part of the video where we go over the bumps. You're going to hear how the suspension is, or you're going to see us drive over the bumps, and you can see our body react, or you can hear the suspension bang. And hopefully you guys are enjoying it. If you have any questions about this ride, just give us a call at 954-363-2261. What do you think about the car, Felix?
Amazing. Definitely turnkey.
It is turnkey. And the power steering makes it so nice.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
They did like a carbon fiber accent in the center too. Fire extinguisher is included, just in case you got to save a Ferrari. And then you have these little pouches here. So you have a little radio that you can, to turn on your radio. Some registration from back in the day. I like it. Did I mention it's 103 today? Black was a bad choice. Well, this is my 3rd shirt for the day. Yeah, because I wore one when I went this morning.
What?
I put a different shirt on. I didn't want to go in with.
Oh, you did your 75 hard?
No, when I went to go see Paul.
Oh.
Temperature's good. You know what I like about this car too is I'm 6 foot, 202 pounds now, 75 hard, baby. And I can fit in here, and I'm wearing regular tennis shoes, and I can touch every single pedal easily. I can actually put the seat further back if I want. Here come the bumps. First set. Big dip. Nice. Firm. Can't ever beat the side pipe sound. We'll test out the corners here. We're still in 2nd. You can leave it in 2nd on corners. Got to stop up here, and then we can test it out again for acceleration. Runs great. 100 and almost 200 degrees right now. Fan is on. So it just puts a smile on your face. We'll get onto the main road, we'll do some polls for you, and you guys can decide if this is what you want to put in your collection. This is a turnkey piece, so this is not something you have to mess with. It's been gone through, all the fluids and filters have been gone through, and it is ready for the next owner. So if you guys want to fly in and drive it back with a helmet on, I'm all for it. Hope you guys enjoyed that test drive. Have a great day.